Today is NissanFest, and it's gonna be a wet one. I think this is the third year in a row that it rained on NissanFest, but we're gonna go anyways. I know for sure both of these are going, and then we have some friends coming over. They might drive the 240, and they might drive the Skyline as well. This one was supposed to be ready, but the machine shop said something was wrong with my piston, so that got delayed for a week. So this is gonna stay here. We couldn't even wash the cars because it's raining. Kind of sucks. Whatever, I guess. So what you going in? You going in a Z?
Yep, I guess I'm going in.
Hey Lynn, are you gonna take this or no?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay. Danelle's taking the 240.
It's in neutral, yeah.
Dang.
Man.
Oh man, I don't think I'll be taking the Z. You can hear it's like misfiring, even with me kicking the ECU. Oh no, there it goes. See, I told you guys, kick the ECU and it works. Oh, wish me luck on the road. Yeah, so I left the Z at home because it wasn't running right and I didn't want to risk it. Oh wait, we're picking up Andrew, huh?
Yeah, we're picking up Andrew.
Okay. Yeah, we were working on a Z31 last night. Replaced the timing belt or whatever, and it ran great. But then his heater core blew up this morning.
How about that?
There's a surprise attack. The wiper blades. Okay. At Andre's house. He's already in there warming up.
Oh, where's yours?
What's up?
Dead?
Yeah, the ECU was acting up, and it worked, but I didn't want to risk it.
Okay.
What's up?
Sorry.
How was it?
I forgot how comfy that car is, actually.
You hit boost?
I was trying to get the nail to brap on your guy. I was trying to get him to brap on me.
The wipers work?
Yeah.
Look down and goes, you only use 20%.
So we got the 240, the Skyline, Z, and the Z. But not my Z. Sucks. But ready to go? Are we just gonna go straight there?
Yeah.
So he made it here.
Yeah. Those rocks that you collect this. Rock collector.
There's so many Skylines now. Yeah. So many during the ZXs.
Yeah, head gasket, not the block.
No, block it.
Look at that wing.
All.
I know. These Autostradas. Is this, what is this car? Gloria? Cedric? I don't know. This is a Laurel. I like these four-door sedans.
NissanFest 2019.
This is pretty cool. Here we go. Our Coast Guard. Well, I guess that was NissanFest. What did you guys think of NissanFest? Yeah.
Watch people drive.
I was
The smile on Andrew's face was priceless. I've never seen so many working 300s in his life.
Oh, you want to see my exhaust?
Yeah, can I see your exhaust? Whoa.
It's kind of dirty, but
That's fine. Hey, I've only seen this on YouTube.
5 zigging super lap. So this thing is like straight piped.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be loud. It's gonna be louder than your HKSA you put on your car. And this is going on this car.
I have that shit over my face.
So it's after NissanFest, and I got this exhaust. Here you go, my model. Thank you, Andrew.
Wow.